Skipping breakfast has become very common to everyone. We all know how important breakfast is to us. So, here I'm sharing three very simple, interesting, yummy, quick, and healthy breakfast recipes, which really makes your morning so energetic and simple. So, let's get started. Oats are among the healthiest grains on earth. Studies show that oats and oatmeal have many health benefits. So today I'm sharing with you simple yet very delicious oatmeal recipe. So first I'm going to take some dry fruits. Here I have taken cashews, almonds and kishmish. These are muskmelon seeds. Flax seeds are super nutritious and they are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which not only helps you to lose weight, it also helps you to maintain good cardiac health. So you can basically add any dry fruits. Here I'm adding about half a cup of oats. Now I'm going to dry roast them on a medium flame for about 4 to 5 minutes until all the nuts are slightly roasted from both the sides. Make sure that you do not burn them. Just roast fry them for about 4 to 5 minutes. Then I'm going to take it into a serving bowl, and into this I'm going to add some boiled milk. So here one thing you have to remember is to add as much milk as you can, because oat absorbs a lot of water. If you have it without enough amount of moisture or liquid, it might cause bloating and stomach cramps. So just make sure that you are adding as much milk as you can. Then I've added some chopped apples. You can add any fruit as per your choice according to the season. Then for sweetness I've added little bit of honey. You can add sugar as well. And here is our super delicious, healthy and yummy oats ready to be served. So the next recipe is going to be this beautiful egg sandwich. So in a pan I've added little bit of oil, and into that I've added one egg and sprinkle little bit of salt and sauteed it for a minute. Oh, by the way, vegetarians can replace this with paneer instead. Now into this I'm going to add some chopped onions, tomatoes, green chilies and coriander leaves. Then into this I've added 1 teaspoon of mayonnaise. You can instead add curd as well, and little bit of pasta sauce. In that place you can add little bit of ketchup and some salt and little bit of chili powder. Then my stuffing is ready, the sandwich stuffing. I'm going to mix the whole thing. Now I'm taking this whole wheat bread. This bread I have baked it at home. If you haven't checked the recipe, I'll put the link in the description down below. I'm going to spread little bit of butter on all the bread slices. Then I'm going to put the stuffing which we have prepared for our sandwich. Since the bread slices are small, I'm making a 3-layered egg sandwich. You can choose to make 1 layer as well. So in a sandwich maker, I'm going to apply a little bit of butter and then place the sandwich and roast them for about 2 minutes. If you don't have the sandwich maker, you can always fry this on a pan, adding little bit of butter or oil. And here my sandwich is done and it can be ready to be served. So yummy. So the next recipe that I have is perfect for keto diet. It's really low in carb. So to make this, I'm going to take a bowl and I'm going to So I have greased it with some butter, and onto this I'm going to add some cheese. Then I'm going to add 3 whole eggs and little bit of fresh cream. You can skip the fresh cream if you aren't in keto diet. Then I'm going to sprinkle some black pepper, white pepper and salt. Then I'm going to add some more cheese on the top and sprinkle some chopped coriander leaves. Then I'm placing this in a baking tray, and into this I'm going to add half a glass of water, and I'm going to microwave in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. And here is how it is. So if you want your eggs to be slightly half boiled, you can reduce the timing. And our beautifully cheesy baked eggs are ready to be served. If you want to make this recipe without oven on a gas stove, then just follow the previous cake baking process. Bake it for about 8 to 10 minutes on low flame. So that was it for the yummy breakfast recipes, guys. I hope you like it. Do let me know in comments down below which one is your favorite. And I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.